Hello again YouTube, Ronald here for another video, but for today I'll just give you a quick update on what's going to happen the whole month of October. I will be posting my Inktober entries on a daily basis, given that I'll be able to draw and upload. But yeah, you should be able, hopefully you would be able to see me upload the content daily from day 1 to until the end of October. So some of you who aren't aware what Inktober is, it's an activity where, every October where artists all over the world take on a drawing challenge by doing one ink drawing a day the entire month. This challenge was created by Jake Parker, his comics short story creator, concept artist, illustrator, and animator way back 2009, and has since grown into a worldwide endeavor with thousands of artists taking on the challenge every year. Now for me, I have been participating in this challenge for 4 years now, but most of my entries were just posted on my Instagram account. Feel free to check my account at Flanierski to see my old entries for the past Inktober's. The drawings that you see on your screen now are the daily Inktober's I did last year. So for this year, I am challenging myself as well to draw and upload daily drawing videos, which probably be a short time lapse for each day. So I'm crossing fingers that I'd be able to do that. The rules are simple, and I'm reading this based on the official website. Rule number 1, make a drawing in ink. You can do a pencil underdrawing if you want. And number 2, post it online. 3, hashtag it with Inktober and Inktober 2018. Repeat. I will be leaving you a link where you can check the daily prompt list, the rules, and a short history of this challenge on the description box below. So I guess that would be it for now. Bye and see you tomorrow.